Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to show you how to make this crochet headband. I used a K hook and I used a size 5 thick yarn, which was Lion brand. And I did a chain count of 61. After I did my first stitch, I wrapped it around my head, around my ears, and you have to make sure that it fits nicely, not too loose, but not too tightly around your ears. If it's too loose, you may need less chains, and if it's too tight, you may need more chains. The pattern is down below in the description and in the comments. If this is too fast, you can place your video in slow motion. There is a link for that down below. And if these stitches are too difficult, there is a playlist for beginner stitches. So I did a chain of 61. You may need more or less. After the first stitch that you work, wrap it around your head to see if it fits nicely. You don't want it too tight or too loose. In the second chain from the hook, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook, and then yarn over again. And then instead of yarning over, you're going to take your loop and pull it through the 2 loops. So no yarning over. If it was a half double crochet, you would, but you're not going to. This will give a nice ridge effect. So grab the yarn and then pull through with your loop like a slip stitch. You'll repeat that until you get to the end. Chain 1 and turn and repeat the stitch in the back loop. You're going to yarn over, insert your hook in each back loop, grab the yarn, and then pull the loop through the 2 loops and repeat that until you get to the end. You can do this up to about 7 to 8 rows or however wide you would like this headband. Okay, so this is all repeat in the back loop, yarn over and grab the yarn and pull through the loop through the 2 loops and just repeat that again. And then you're going to yarn over and pull through. You can do this up to 7 or 8 rounds, however wide you would like it. And then you're going to sandwich them together and sew it for the twist. So take the 2 ends, sandwich them together, and then you're going to sew both ends together by taking your yarn needle and just weaving it back and forth on both sides. And then your twist will be complete. And then you'll turn it right side out and then weave in your ends to complete. Now turn it right side out. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for this crochet headband, and the link is down below. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.